Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. So it's pretty easy to do, so let's get right into it. Now, first and foremost, head over to the left hand corner at the bottom and go ahead and click the little house or the bank. Now, when you do that, you're going to want to head down here where it says save and invest and go ahead and click on Bitcoin. Now, when you do, you're just going to want to go ahead and click buy and sell. You can make a one-time order, market order for however much you want to go ahead and do. You could even sell your Bitcoin for however much you want. So basically, you could just go ahead and buy Bitcoin on here. It's pretty easy to do. You can see that I've already done it before, but as you can see, my returns are not that good considering I did buy pretty early, but for whatever reason, it's just not, giving me the right, I guess, yeah, the right value of my investment. But whatever, guys, that's how you go ahead and do it. That's how you buy Bitcoin. It's pretty easy and simple. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.